All right. We should be live and okay. So this is good. Audio, video check. All right. Good. So welcome back to another live, guys. My name is Jay, and I'm from Team Stolo, where we do market lives every day, right? So what we basically do here, for those of you who are watching this for the first time, is we try and analyze the market. We do this by chart reading, we do this by OI reading, we do this by option chain, and sometimes FII, DII data also we look at, and we try and understand what is currently happening in the market, as well as uh, try and predict what could happen the next day, right? So yes, for those of you who are watching it day on day, welcome back. And yes, today we shall get right into it, right? So complete trending markets that we have seen from the past 3 days, and I have a very interesting uh, theory, or let's say a bias, that I would like to uh, tell you about as well, right? So we shall come to it quickly. Before that, let me just open. Yeah, also welcome to the July expiry, right? So this is the first live where we're doing on the July expiry. Yesterday being a holiday as well, so this is the first day of July trading. So we shall get into it right away. Awesome. So yes, let me just open July for Nifty 19,270. So yes, so I think past 3 days we've seen gap up openings and market completely on the rise, right? So one thing we are seeing here is basically we're seeing every fall is almost a buy, right? A buy, right? So literally, I don't think today's market even went below the VWAP, right? So at least in Nifty, as of what I'm seeing, so almost yeah. So I do not believe in one strategy, right? So any working strategy is a good strategy as long as you know the strategy works. It is a good strategy, and you can apply it, right? You just need to know where to apply. Okay, I am so sorry about that. So sorry about that. A small technical difficulty, but yes, yes, GK. I think I didn't see the hello, hello. Um, how was your trading day, GK? And yes, audio video problem. Usually we have a check and we go through it, but yes. So yeah, we are back. I think the AV problem should have been solved, and okay, good. So yeah, what we're currently seeing here as well in yeah, what we were talking about is the trending markets, right? So what we were exactly seeing is 3 days, almost 3 days in a row, we're seeing a very good market. As we were looking, as we were talking about the VWAP as well, almost not today, at least nothing went below the VWAP level itself, right? So that is a very trending market. So almost call buyers, at least a very good opportunity in the market. Almost every fall would have been a buy. So I'm hoping all of you did make a good money in this market. And one more thing is we are yet to see the large cap stocks run as well, right? So we are seeing a lot of mid cap and small cap stocks run, which is a driving factor as well. And we will be seeing, I think Asian Paints had a very good trading day. We shall look into that as well, right? So we will try and see what moved the markets as well. So yeah, very good trending markets, more large caps to be coming into action as well. Is one more thing we could see. And yes, as we were discussing, yes, so one thing I wanted to so this is a very interesting bias, right? So this is something called the gambler's policy, right? So what happens exactly here is, so let's say for example you toss a coin 5 times and it lands on heads, right? For the sixth time, everyone would bet that it would land on tails, right? Which is not the case in terms of the probability, where it could still be a head the sixth time also, right? So one thing at least I've realized personally for myself is, when looking at very good trending markets, I'm always expecting market to fall just because it went um, 3 days in a row high, right? So that is one bias that you have to keep an account of, in terms of thinking, okay, just because it went up 3 times doesn't mean that it can fall tomorrow, right? It may or may not, but then usually the bias is towards, okay, the market will fall tomorrow because of the great bull run, right? So that will not be the case. But yes, market is back to a very good trending market. At least there are um, very bullish views in the market. Everyone is bullish on it. So that is very good in terms of not really Nifty, Bank Nifty, but I'm assuming you holding stocks or anything also to go very high, right? So that is one good thing that we're seeing in the market. And again, we shall come OI again, still first day of the July expiry, we shall be coming into it, right? So I think most probably what we will be seeing is, okay, there's that Nifty Bank. Let me just change this Nifty quickly. Yes, so at least resistance for now, 19,500, which is still far, right? Which is a good far place. So again, market is looking very bullish in order for the resistance to stay very far, right? OI basis, obviously on the put side, we can see huge increases. So 19,000 would be our current support zone, right? So this would be a good support zone in this bullish market. Which we shall analyze more of, right? OI change wise, yeah, that is exactly what you can see. Huge increase in the put side, obviously, which we are seeing because of the trending market. Everyone looking to sell puts. That is one specific thing. And again, the resistance is very far and it's not very strong, right? We have 19,400 at 62 lakh. We have 19,500 at 73 lakh. Again, it's still building up for the expiry and start of July. So we shall see how how it builds up in the coming days, right? So that is one specific thing on the option chain. And but 19,000 would be a good support, right? Which is a very strong support, at least for now, right? So that is one thing. Again, Bank Nifty following the footsteps of Nifty. I think we did, yes, huge, right? So very big moves in Bank Nifty as well. We had seen our, so yes, 40, there should be 44,000. Yes, 44,000 level was our level breaking, out of which so yeah, this is coming. So those of you who have been watching the live would know these levels and how we have actually formed them, right? So yes, let me just see. Yes, ma'am. Weak hands trapped in HDFC Bank since the first round of the merger, exiting leading to sharp rally. When HDFC Bank leads, indexes should roar. Yes, exactly. So yeah, that is one thing I think we had discussed about also, is the merger, right? So merger of HDFC Bank and HDFC becoming a huge unit, right? And that is one very what do you call would be one of the main causes of the rally, because you see a huge um, percentage of bank HDFC in Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? So that is a very good observation by GK, at least. So yes, that is one good point for the rally as well. But yeah, here we did see 43,000, 43,500 to be a very good support range, which we had drawn from long back, right? So you'll have to watch the other videos for getting to know this. But yes, it took exactly support from that place, and we knew above 44,000 we would be bullish again, and that's exactly how our view was right. So again, yeah, it broke out of 44,000, and we are on our way to a very high place. At least for now, that's how the markets are looking, right? Even Bank Nifty had a very good opening. It fell once below Viva, but other than that, everything again was a buy, right? So markets looking very strong again in Bank Nifty as well, and 44,500 would be our current support zone. So yes. As I would say, markets trending looking very strong on the upside. I'm not seeing any big reversal of any kind where we could head much lower. I'm still looking at a very good bullish view on the market. But yes, overall, that is still the stance. And again, July expiry for good levels, good trades, and good price action we shall be seeing in the coming days, right? So yes, okay, that is the live for today. Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you so much for being interactive. And yes, we shall join back on Monday and see how well we can see and predict the July expiry, right? And okay, one more thing that is, I think when we started June expiry, we literally expected this month to have the all-time high, right? And literally at the last days we went to the all-time high, which was a very good thing, right? So let's see again for July how it comes out to be. So yes, thank you so much for joining. Quick disclaimer: we do this completely for educational purpose. We do not give any calls or tips or anything like that, and consult your financial advisor for any trades you're making, right? So yes, thank you so much, and hope you have a great day ahead, guys.